Hi, my name is Gerald and I am one half of Zesty Experience, and today we are talking about one of my favorite topics, bacon. And in this video, we are going to be talking about how to prepare the perfect bacon. Now, I know like many of you, cooking bacon has been part of your morning routine and it's great for special occasions and it is otherwise delicious. And you can put it in all kinds of things. It's not just for breakfast anymore. You can put it in salads, you can put it in all kinds of vegetables. There are so many ways that you can prepare bacon. One of my favorite ways is to make it with a chicken salad, but what we're going to be using this particular bacon for is going to be for a broccoli salad. Now, personally, I'm not a huge fan of broccoli, but I love this broccoli salad because of the bacon in it. So, how do you create the perfect slice of bacon? Most people use a frying pan, but the way that we're going to make bacon today is that we're going to bake it in the oven. And it turns out perfectly cooked, perfectly crisp, and it is delicious. So stay tuned and see how you too can create the best bacon ever. So like I mentioned, to make the best bacon, what you're going to want to do is you want to bake your bacon. So we're going to start with thick cut bacon. I recommend getting it from the meat counter. You can find it there. You can buy it by the pound or you can buy it by the slice. That thick cut bacon is one of the best ways to use bacon. And so we're going to use this natural choice. This is uncured, no preservatives whatsoever. And so we're going to start with this. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to lay the bacon out onto this sheet tray. You can see that there's this cooling rack inside of the sheet tray, and we're simply going to lay the bacon flat on the tray. One slice at a time. And one more. Next, we're going to gently season the bacon. So we're going to use a little bit of coconut sugar and we're going to sprinkle it over the top of each slice of bacon here. Just a touch. Just like you would season it with a little bit of salt. But this is just a touch of coconut sugar. Then we're going to take just a touch of ancho chili powder. So just a touch of little bit of seasoning on top of the bacon. And now it's ready to go into the oven. So we're going to start with a cold oven at 400 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and put this in here, cold oven, and then turn it up to 400 degrees. Let it cook for 20 minutes. And this is 20 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Too funny.
And this is after 30 minutes. Perfectly crisp. So all we're going to do here Just lay it flat onto this plate. Let it cool. And as soon as this is cool, it will be ready to eat, ready to chop. Perfectly cooked. So if this video brought you any value, go ahead and click the like button. If you really got something out of it and it really took your cooking to the next level, then go ahead and hit subscribe so that you can get more videos just like these where you can learn the great techniques in order to elevate your level of cooking so that you can better take care of the people that mean the most to you, so that you can create those connections with the ones that mean the most to you. My name is Gerald and I am one half of Zesty Experience, and we strengthen relationships through food. I hope that this video brought you some value, and I hope it brought a little bit more connection to the people that you love most. Have a great day.